Hey y'all, welcome back to the 12 days of Craftmas. Today we are going to be doing something that I thought was going to be really easy, which is doing just some scripted plates for our tablescape. I got these stencils from Michael's, just a plain white plate and then a paint pen. That was it. So I started off trying to use these stencils, and I found out really quickly that they are extremely difficult to use. As you're about to see, the paint pen just tended to bleed through, and when you're trying to make your letters, because the paint is still wet, it just smears a lot. It was just a entire mess. So I wanted to do the stencils for those of you that did not or do not might not have the best handwriting or trust yourself freehanding, but the stencils just ended up being a mess, y'all. I'm sorry. And I'm going to show you right here, like as soon as I pulled it off, boom, it smeared. That whole big blot of ink just completely smeared. So I'm trying it again, and here's something else that I'll show you. So when you're trying to write a letter, you have to overlap the letters in order for it to look good. Another thing is, when you stencil, it kind of leaves spaces in certain areas, so you have to go back in and fill the word in, which to me just did not look good. It didn't look good at all, as it would if you would do it free-handed, just a full even stroke. You can tell, see, yeah, it just didn't turn out right. So I washed them all off, and then I decided to just trust myself freehanding. And what I did, I just wrote first with a pen, lightly, like a regular pen, just a regular black pen. Yep. And then I took my paint pen and I went over my handwriting, and this time I was pleased. It turned out much better. So yeah, see, looks much better than the stencil. So then for your plates, all you're going to do is go ahead and place them on whatever background that you've chosen. We are a country house over here, so I love the country decor. So this is a view of my tablescape with my scripted plates on top, and I think it turned out good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys for sticking with me so far, and I will see you on the next video.